updating your legal name on FlexShopper is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name is updated quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the FlexShopper website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have your login information handy. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use the SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breach records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select name change option. In the account settings, look for an option related to personal information or name change. Click on this option to proceed with updating your legal name. Step 4. Enter your new legal name. Fill in the required fields with your new legal name. Ensure that the spelling is correct and matches your legal documents to avoid any issues. Step 5. Submit your changes. After entering your new name, review the information for accuracy and submit the changes. You may receive a confirmation email or notification once the update is processed. Once you have completed these steps, your legal name should be updated on FlexShopper. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.